Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix relation view option not showing on missing in PhpMyAdmin in table. Before starting work is my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin. So this is our database and we are going to fix issue. Now you see table. So open any table. Now go to structure. And you don't see any relation view option in structure, so we are going to display it. Now go to operation. So we are in table operation and then you see table option. Now you see storage engine. Now you see multiple option, drop down. Now select and then select nnoDB and then click on go. Now loading and then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Go to structure again and now you see relation view option enable in table when we change storage engine in table operation in PhpMyAdmin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.